Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to SA's Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest, hip, and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Lasizwe is trending once again on Twitter, you guys, and this time is because he wanted to look like Uncle Waffles. We got to see him shopping for a song on his social media yesterday, and today we saw him in his transformation as Uncle Waffles. He shared his beautiful transformation as Uncle Waffles. Here's the video of him shopping for his songs. Please subscribe, share, comment. I'll see you on the next video. Here's the video. Bye.
What do you think, Chami? This one, yeah? Or, but I want Uncle Waffles song, guys. Can I have Uncle Waffles song,
It's the
please?
black one.
Is it the black one?
Yes, the black one.
This one.
Mm-hmm.
Oi, 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 oi. I am this on my song. I want this one. This is what I want. This one is what I want.
Are you sure?
I want this. I want this one.
Please get the right house.
Yeah, actually, can I have a large?